What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions, and today we're going to help prevent another yard from flooding by extending out their downspouts. So let's get right into it. All right, well, what we got going on here is all these downspouts and the neighbor's downspout here. We're going to be connecting them out and running them over to here so that way the water can facilitate up, go out, drain into the ground, and go into the street. The downspouts used to be both in the back, and they were flooding out their basement over here. So that way now they've rerouted them all to the front, and then we're just going to reroute them the rest of the way to the street. So let's get started. And here we go. Now we have it all dug out. Of course, the end is always deeper because that's what turns into a mini dry well. We're going to have everything connecting in. Oh, I think the ground collapsed on me. So I got to fix that up. But yep, this is how it's going to go. Everything's going to connect, go here, and go out over there next to the street. So now time to pipe, make sure I got the grade. All right, and here we go. Everything is all completely piped up. As you can see, I am downhill to level here. Coming off that side, we got that downspout. Kicks in, we tie in. We are a little bit more downhill to level here. Pick up this downspout, that ties in. And I make it even go more extremely downhill to level. And then down here at the end, where everything's gonna fill up at the pop-up, we have the holes drilled in. We have the mini dry well. We're gonna burrito wrap around. And as you can see, we're completely downhill to level. So that way all the water's forced to build up down here, build up, and be able to come out and facilitate onto the ground and everything. Just like that. So now time to backfill and show you how it works. And here we go. This is how you test the system. Put the hose in the furthest clean out, which will be that one over there. It's going to come down. This one tees into it, comes down. This tees into it. And then everything comes down here to the mini dry well, which, as you can already see, the water is already going in as it is trying to build up. It's also building up the mini dry well. So it's trying to soak back into the ground and build up at the same time. So this can take a minute. And here we go. This is exactly how it works. Once the pipe fills up, everything builds up, facilitates out, drains onto the street, and drains back into the ground. When there's no more head pressure, all the water will go back and drain and back into the ground to help prevent against freezing. Another job well done by Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next one.